What are we doing?
We're recording.
Here's my face.
Oh, that's great. Good job.
Hi.
Hello. We're on a ferry heading to Seattle. Hey, Nobly. Say hi. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Hello!
Tell them where we're going.
We're going to Seattle!
Yes, we're going to Seattle. And she is very excited about this.
Guys.
Where's Donovan? Oh, there's Donovan.
For our very first trip Polaroid.
Very first trip.
Yes.
Say hello to the camera.
Is this for our YouTube channel?
It is for our YouTube channel.
Hi! Hi from Seattle.
He's not part of our trip, but he's here today.
This is my old best friend when I lived here from like 6 years ago. First time I've seen his ugly ass.
What's his name? Introduce him.
He can introduce himself.
My name's Dakota.
Hello, Dakota.
Dakota what?
Okay, the only problem about doing this, you guys, is I don't know how to swap it yet.
Just have to do that over and over.
Woohoo!
Have to go take it. You have to go
Guys,
take
it's gonna be the best first video ever.
Oh god.
No, don't do that. Let's not do that. We will get kicked off. They will stop this boat.
What are they gonna kick us off? He's already off the boat, right?
They will kick us off for participating. Okay?
I
That's
just throw him over.
That message for you.
We're being yelled at by the captain. That's the captain talking. Are you confused?
No, it's the same. I still can't figure out how to swap it.
Videotaping it?
Yeah, but I don't know how to swap it.
Terrible.